Welcome to my detailed review of UserTesting, a platform that allows you to earn money by testing websites and apps. If you've ever wondered how these testing platforms work and whether it's worth your time, this video will answer all your questions. Let's start with the sign-up process. Creating an account is straightforward. Just enter your details and complete a short questionnaire to help UserTesting match you with tasks suited to your demographic. Once you're signed up, you'll be presented with testing opportunities based on the information you provided. These tests usually involve recording your screen and voice while you interact with a website or app. Tasks typically range from usability testing, where you're asked to navigate a site and provide feedback on the user experience, to answering specific questions about your experience. The test can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, and you're paid a flat rate for each test you complete. The payment process is relatively easy. After completing a test, you get paid via PayPal, typically within a week. However, the pay per test can vary. Some tests offer higher payouts depending on the complexity of the task or how long it takes, while others may not pay as much. While the concept of earning money by testing websites sounds great, there are a few drawbacks. One issue is the availability of tests. Sometimes, there are just not enough tasks that match your profile, meaning you might go days or even weeks without earning any money. Another downside is that tests can sometimes be repetitive, which might make it feel less engaging after a while. But let's be honest, the real appeal here is the flexibility. You can test websites and apps from the comfort of your own home and choose tasks based on your availability. Plus, there are no special skills required, just a decent internet connection, and you're good to go. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, my experience with UserTesting has been positive, but it's important to have realistic expectations. It's a legitimate way to make some extra cash, but it won't replace a full-time income. If you enjoy testing products and sharing feedback, it can be a fun way to earn on the side. Before you get started, be sure to check out the helpful links in the description to get some extra benefits along the way. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.